Thailand's constitutional court has decided there will be 2 referendums in order to have the Thai constitution potentially amended. And that means Thai people are going to have to come out and vote on how this happens and if it happens. Now, this is a matter that is strictly the internal political affairs of Thailand. No one from the outside should have any say. They should not be interfering or trying to influence this process at all. So why am I talking about it? I'm talking about it because I want to warn people about the US government and its inevitable attempt to influence this process. And they're going to do this through these fronts, posing as non-governmental organizations funded by the US government through the National Endowment for Democracy. These are fronts like Project Thai, iLaw, Thai Lawyers for Human Rights, Isan Record, Benar News, and a couple of new ones that I've talked about recently, Bunmi Lab, and of course their project Elect, which was actually part of foreign interference in Thailand's 2019 general election. So you can bet that they're going to try to influence this referendum as well. Now, if you're going to rewrite your nation's constitution, but the referendum is going to be influenced by the US government, why hold the referendum at all? Why not just ask Washington, D.C. how Thailand's constitution should be amended? And of course, Thailand would never do that. But why would they allow the US to interfere in the referendum process if that's the case? So we need to raise this issue. We need to raise awareness of this interference and this malign influence. And this is interference and influence the US would never accept another nation doing to it if it was trying to amend its own constitution. So why should Thailand tolerate this? And the answer is it shouldn't. And any constitution that comes out of a process that was influenced significantly by the US is not going to serve Thailand's best interests. You will be stuck with a constitution that is working at cross purposes of Thailand's best interests. So this is unacceptable. This cannot be allowed to happen. And raising significant political awareness of this issue is going to be key to heading this off. If you liked this video, if you thought it was useful, please like and share it. Think about subscribing to the channel. Also, check out my alternative channel on Odyssey. The link will be in the video description below. There's also ways there that you can help support my work so that I can continue doing these kind of videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching.